Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from AISLPC. This is their smart Wi-Fi enabled 10.1 inch digital photo frame that we're going to check out today. I'm going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything you get once you get it out of the box. You're going to get a microfiber cleaning cloth to help keep your frame clean. Now, this is a 10.1 inch display on this, and you're going to want to keep it clean with that microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get a user manual here, and this will show you how to power it on, how to get things started up, and it will also show you how to download the Frameo app, which you'll need for either iOS or Android. Now, of course, you get a plug here, and you're going to have to use this to power the device. It's a AC two-prong to a barrel connector there that will connect to the back of the frame. Now, this is a 10.1 inch HD display here. It is a touchscreen display, and you do have a little spot on the back here where you can use this as a kickstand to either have this in landscape or portrait, and it can be pulled out and set up in portrait if you would like to do that as well. So you have that option to switch them out, which is actually really neat if you're going to have this on a desk or a table. They also have little mounts there so that you can put them up in on the wall as well from like a hook or a hanging. Now, you've got a power button. You also have your reset button here. You do have an SD card slot and your DC power input right there. So you do have all of that here right on the back. Easy to plug it in and start it up. And of course, there's your power button, and there are two speakers because it does support volume for 15-second videos. Okay, once you get the frame started up, it's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. It supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so I am going to select my Wi-Fi, and then I can use the on-screen keyboard to type in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so once you're done putting in your Wi-Fi information, it'll ask you to put in your name and the location of the frame so that you know where it is in your residence, and then we'll continue on. Now, there is a guide here, and you can use this skip button if you would like to, and I tried to skip it a few times, but it didn't let me, so I'm just going to go through it real quickly, and as you can see, it's telling you to download the app and get ready, which is what we're going to do right now. Now, you can exit out of anything there, and we're on the main screen. You have settings, which will take you to all the settings for the frame, and you'll have an add friend button, and this is how you will link up the Frameo app. And I'll be using an Android phone for this. You can use iOS as well, but you'll see that I have Frameo on my Android phone. So what we're going to want to do is open the Frameo app here, and then we're going to want to select Add Friend on the frame. So what we're going to do is go to Frameo, and you'll see that I've got some pictures in here that I want to move over. But the first thing we want to do is link the frame to the app by hitting Add Friend. And when we do that, it's going to give us a code here. And this code is where you'll go into the Frameo app and do the same thing, Add Friend at the top right corner, and it'll ask you to add a new frame. So this is where you'll enter the code that shows up on the screen, and this will link the app to the frame. Now, you can send a code out. They are set for a certain amount of time, and you can send that code to any one of your friends anywhere in the world, and they can upload, friend photos or family photos directly to your frame from anywhere in the world. Now, I'm going to select several different pictures here. So let's select a few pictures. I'll do like 5 or 6 pictures here, and we'll just select these pictures here, and I will hit the red button to send them to my frame. So if I hit this button here, it'll ask me where I want to send them. The Luke office is the one we just set up, so I'll hit the red button again. I can write a caption for all the photos if I want to, or I can skip it and just hit the red button, and then this will come up asking me where I want the focus of my pictures to be. We'll leave that in the middle, and we will send the photos. And just like that, all the photos are now accessible on my frame. As you can see, swiping through the photos is no problem with the touchscreen. They look great. Very simple and easy to do here. You can see I did all of this in under about 5 minutes. So getting this done is super and easy to do with this setup here. And now that you're set up, if you want to put this in landscape or portrait, it will automatically adjust for you, and you can swipe through your pictures either way or let the slideshow play them for you. Overall, this is a great photo frame for sharing your family memories. Again, 10.1 inches from AISLPC. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.